All right, quick book talk. Daphne by Louise Harding. Again, Louise Harding has great photography. Most of her designs are usually vintage inspired, so they work great for those of you that like costuming. Louise Harding crochets and knits. So there we have a sample of a crochet floral with buttons and a scarf. Knitted little top. Her garments are always nicely fitted. Embellished with embroidery. Cute wristlets. Stripes. Luxurious fibers. Cape. Very nicely fitted. These are, however, pieced together. Oh, look at that cute hat. Oh, let's actually get you the picture. A beret. Louise Harding always uses somewhat simple designs, but embellishes them with lace. Another view of the cape with a velvet ribbon. And a close-up of the neckline of the sweater. There's that scarf. So very romantic these designs are. Here's a skirt. Oh, look at that gorgeous dress. Beautiful dress. Vest. And we've changed our colors to red. Another nice thing about Louise Harding is the pattern page, so that you can get your pattern on one page. She also includes the photo, a smaller photo there. So it's not like pictures and then blank that you have to search, blank diagrams that you have to search through to find your pattern. It's quite obvious where it is.